Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the exciting world of the Canon EOS R10. This camera not only packs a punch with its Dual Pixel CMOS AF for lightning fast focusing and 15 FPS continuous shooting, but it also shines with its 4K 30p video recording and impressive low light capabilities down to -4 EV. Plus, its 2.36 million dot EVF ensures every shot is crystal clear. Let's open the box and discover all the goodies inside. First, we are greeted by the user manual, your essential guide to getting started with your new camera. You can also access the user manual online by visiting the Canon website, navigating to the support section and searching for Canon EOS R10 under the product manuals. This will give you quick and easy access to the latest information and updates. Next up, we've got the warranty card. Be sure to keep this safe for any future service needs. Additionally, we have the Canon branded neck strap, designed to keep your camera secure and easy to carry on all your adventures. Then, we have the charging cradle and cable. Keep your battery topped up and ready for those long shoots. It's compact, making it easy to take wherever you go. And speaking of the battery, here it is. Make sure to give it a full charge before you hit the road for your first shoot. Next, we have the RFS 1845mm lens. This beauty is designed to give you those sharp, vibrant shots every time. It's a perfect match for the Canon EOS R10. And here's the star of the show, the Canon EOS R10 camera body. Sleek, compact, and ready to take your photography to the next level. It's packed with features that will make every shot count. To start using your Canon EOS R10, first insert the battery. Now, take the RF lens, align it with the mount, and twist until you hear that satisfying click. Finally, adjust the neck strap to your preferred length, and you're all set to capture some incredible photos and videos. And that's everything in the box. The Canon EOS R10 is ready to help you create stunning visuals. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and let's keep capturing those moments.